Hi guys, in this video I will guide you through editing a dark photo in Hong Kong. Then when I went to Hong Kong to take pictures, I was unlucky to meet a storm. It was very cold and raining for 2 days in a row. So I had to shoot at night and shoot night scenes. And you see very heavy rain. I have to use an umbrella to cover the bride and groom. In this set of photos, I has already lost the raw file, so only the JPEG file is left. This JPEG is also low quality. However, for editing a photo that is in the album, this is a size that is more than enough. Then I will guide you to edit photos with this JPEG file. Always look at the histogram first. I will find that this histogram is a bit dark. So I would like to make the image clearer and brighter. Then I will add contrast. And reduce shadow. I still find it very dark, I still continue to add contrast. Add 0.3 stops. All that is bright, you just add. Until I feel like it's bright enough. This is almost enough, plus another contrast. Okay, now I think that's enough. And I think the picture is a bit yellow. Starting off, I will subtract the white balance. Then I see this picture. After I clicked it a few times, it was fine. Well, if you think this dark part is a bit dark, I will accept it. Because when I take pictures at night, it will usually be dark. I have increased the light quite a lot already. That's okay. The skin part, you already know. Then I will not guide too much in this section. Because it will take quite a while. I just need to go to skin, I choose beauty skin, then you guys watch my other videos to see the skin tutorial. I will be able to adjust the bride and groom. Because being in this corner is a wide angle, I took a close shot. Then it will be slightly distorted. Then I'll go to liquefy. I squeeze the bride and groom a little bit. You should note that the bricks, don't let it be distorted. I have to keep it straight. Squeeze the top too, so does the building. Squeeze the whole building. Before, after. Next, I will add an effect. In this new part, I will introduce you to the rain effect. Then you see it's raining, but it's not enough. Now Sam will add rain by selecting other. And choose rain. Here Sam has 4 types of rain. You can choose any type. Here Sam chooses to try this type. Press enter, I choose whether to rotate the rain direction or not. Then I don't rotate, then I click OK. I selected in this folder, this layer is the layer of rain. Then I will enter. Then you see that this rain is a bit fake, it's too much. Then here I will reduce the opacity of this layer. I reduce about 50%, then I see it for real. Then I will go to this top layer. Here are the color layers, which can be changed, depending. But it rains, I won't need to change the color. Then I will reduce this opacity to about 80% and I sweep on the skin. Let me remove the rain from my skin. Then I had a very nice rain effect. Before, after. Now if Sam feels that this picture is not colorful enough, then I will click on Vibrance. Here you see, before, after. And I clicked another Vibrance. Okay, I sees that the color is more intense. More beautiful. Or I will choose the color. Plus art. Here you see, I can reduce the color plus this art. Depending on what you want. And I see here that this part of the skin is too much, then I will click on Reset Brush and it will jump to 100%. Then I choose opacity, I choose about 70%. I sweep into the skin, let me restore the skin of the bride and groom. The skin part, you can adjust the skin color, smooth the skin. By the methods that I has instructed in the previous clips. Please watch the previous clips on how to correct skin color. And the color correction, I finished when I got here. Before. After, in just one step I was able to add richer colors and rain to my photos.